Most people trying to break into AI make one big mistake. They keep taking courses, but they don't build real projects. If you want to get hired as an AI engineer in 2026, recruiters want to see real AI systems, not just certificates. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI projects that can dramatically increase your chances of getting hired. Let's start with the most important one. Project number 1. AI Knowledge Assistant. The first project you must build is an AI knowledge assistant. This is basically a chatbot that can answer questions from company documents. Example: upload PDFs or internal documents. Ask questions like, what is our refund policy? The AI retrieves relevant information and generates an answer. This project uses retrieval augmented generation, often called RAG. Technologies commonly used include LangChain, Pinecone, and GPT-4. Why companies love this project? Enterprise knowledge search, AI copilots, document assistants. This is one of the most demanded GenAI applications today. Project number 2, AI Coding Assistant. The second project is an AI coding assistant. Think of something similar to GitHub Copilot. Your project could analyze code, suggest improvements, generate functions, explain complex code. This project demonstrates prompt engineering LLM integration developer tools. Developers and companies love this type of AI assistant. Project number 3, AI Voice Agent. The third project is an AI voice agent. This is an AI system that can talk with users using voice. For example, customer, where is my order? AI agent, your order will arrive tomorrow. The system uses speech to text, LLM reasoning, text to speech. Technologies often include Whisper and APIs from OpenAI. Voice AI is one of the fastest growing areas in AI right now. Project number 4, AI Research Agent. The fourth project is an AI research agent. This AI can search the internet, summarize articles, generate reports. It works like an autonomous assistant. Frameworks like LangGraph allow you to build multi-agent workflows. For example, Agent 1 Arrow, search information, Agent 2 Arrow, analyze sources, Agent 3 Arrow, write final report. This project shows advanced AI system design skills. Project number 5, AI Automation System. The fifth project is an AI automation system. This type of system can automate business workflows. Example automation. Email arrives to AI, analyzes it, to AI generates a response. You can also automate tasks like document summarization, meeting notes, customer ticket classification. Platforms like Zapier or Make can help integrate AI into real workflows. Companies are investing heavily in AI automation. Important hiring tip. Here's the most important tip. Don't just build these projects, put them on GitHub, portfolio website, technical blog. Recruiters love to see real AI implementations. If you want to become an AI engineer or AI architect, these projects will give you a huge advantage. In the next video, I'll show you how to build a production-ready RAG system step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI engineering videos. See you in the next one.